You translate in your head when you speak English? Do you first think in your own language and then try to change it into English? If yes, this is the reason you feel slow. This is the reason you feel stuck. And today, we are going to fix that. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Super Pro English Practice. This is day 2 of our From Shy to Confident 30-Day English Shadowing Challenge. If you completed day 1, good job. You are already ahead of many people. If not, no problem. You can start from today. Today's focus is very simple, but very powerful. We are going to train your brain to think in English, not translate. Let me tell you something honestly. Almost every beginner translates in their head. You are not alone. I also did the same in the beginning. When you translate in your head, your brain does 2 jobs. First, it thinks in your language. Then, it changes it into English. That takes time. That's why you feel slow. That's why you get nervous. Sometimes you forget words. Sometimes you stop speaking. But here is the good news. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. And you can learn this. Slowly, step by step. Now listen carefully. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to sound like a native. You just need simple words and daily practice. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. No pressure. No fear. Just speak with me. Number 1. I think in English. Repeat. I think in English. I use simple words. Repeat. I use simple words. I don't translate. Repeat. I don't translate. Good. Now again. I think in English. I use simple words. I don't translate. Nice. Now listen. At first, your brain will try to translate. That's normal. Don't feel bad about it. Don't stop. Just guide your brain slowly. Number 2. I speak what I know. Repeat. I speak what I know. I don't wait for perfect words. Repeat. I don't wait for perfect words. I try again and again. Repeat. I try again and again. Very good. Here is a simple trick. If you don't know a word, don't stop speaking. Use easy words. Explain it. For example, if you don't know chef, you can say, a person who cooks in a restaurant. See? You are still communicating. That is real English. Number 3. I can explain things. Repeat. I can explain things. I use different words. Repeat. I use different words. I keep speaking. Repeat. I keep speaking. Good job. Now let's talk about listening. Listening is very important. Without listening, speaking becomes difficult. Language enters through your ears before it comes out of your mouth. So listen every day. Even if you understand only 50%, it is okay. Your brain is learning.
Number 4. I listen every day. Repeat. I listen every day. I learn from listening. Repeat. I learn from listening. I don't need to understand everything. Repeat. I don't need to understand everything. Great. Now, one of the most powerful methods, repetition. Repeat again and again and again. Many people feel bored, but repetition builds memory. It makes your English automatic. When you repeat, your brain becomes faster. Your speaking becomes easier. Now, let's practice shadowing. Speak with me. Don't think too much. Just follow. I think in English. I use simple words. I don't translate. I speak what I know. I don't wait for perfect words. I keep speaking. Very good. Now listen. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency means speaking comfortably, speaking clearly, without fear. At first, you think slowly. Then you remember phrases. Then you speak naturally. This takes time, but it works. You don't need a partner every day. You can practice alone. Talk about your day. Talk about what you see. Ask questions and answer them. Yes, it may feel strange, but it works. Number 5. I speak every day. Repeat. I speak every day. I practice alone. Repeat. I practice alone. I am improving step by step. Repeat. I am improving step by step. Good job. If you practiced with me, you are improving. Comment below. Day 2 done. Come back tomorrow. Day 3 will be even better. This is Super Pro English practice. Keep speaking. Keep improving. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.